Good afternoon, everybody. This is Maury Wessels with Circuit and Chancery Courts. We're going to file a new case with the court's new electronic filing system. First, we're going to log in as Attorney Lawrence Bear. And we're going to file a new case. We can start that either by picking New Case from the e-file drop-down menu or by clicking on the New Case button on the front page. We're going to file in Circuit Court, and this time we're going to file an auto accident case. The first field is the client number field. This is a field that the attorney can use to record information about the client's number in his office, and we're going to enter a claim amount of $5,000. First thing you want to do is add the plaintiffs to the case, typically that you represent. And we're going to do that by clicking on Add My Parties. And this can be either a company or a person. And we're going to stick with the person, and this time we're going to give them a real creative name. You can add other pieces of information about the individual or the company. We're just going to add a simple address at this point. And notice that Mr. Bear is already attached to the plaintiff as the attorney of record. We're going to click Next. Now we're going to add a defendant by clicking on the Add Other Parties. And we're going to give them another creative name. And another simple address. And we're going to click Next. You could add more plaintiffs or more defendants by simply going through the pattern of choosing the correct button and filling out the form. We're going to go ahead and click Next and go to the page where we'll add documents that will support our lawsuit. We're going to click on the New Case Filing category. This is going to then the document type box, and this gives us a list that's tailored toward the new case that we picked in the category. First, we're going to add a complaint. Now we're going to surf over to the hard drive and pick up a complaint. And let's see if we got an auto. Yeah, we got an auto accident complaint. We click Add, and now we see where the document has been added to our document list. We can add more documents. You can add up to a total of 5 documents, each being a maximum of 3 meg. And now we've got a complaint and a summons. And that's going to be enough for this new filing. We'll click Next. And now we see that we owe the court $308.50. We're going to click Submit. And we're going to go on to the page where we can make a credit card payment. We're going to select our PIN account. We're going to click Next. And we see that Mr. Bear has a couple of stored credit cards that he has already stored in the credit card portion. And we're going to click Next and use one of the stored cards. We're going to enter our 4 digits of our card number. And we're going to enter characters displayed in the box and click Next. I don't guess it liked what we entered. See if we have a little better luck this time. JK. And now it likes us. We're going to say we've read all of the agreement, and now we're going to click Finish. And here's our receipt for our $308 payment to the court to file our case. We'll click Return to eFlex. Now we see that our filing has been submitted. We'll wait until we hear back from the clerk's office. First we'll receive an email telling us that they have received the filing, and subsequent to that we'll receive another email telling us that the case has been accepted or that the case has been returned to us. If the case is accepted, there'll be a third email that we'll receive that'll be the notification of electronic e-filing. That email will give us the case ID and the division of court that the matter is in, and we can store that for future reference. Thanks everybody. This has been an example of how to file a new case. Be sure to check back for some of our other examples of how to file on an existing case or how to review your profile. Thanks.